Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you how to install the Copypasta V2 plugin in DaVinci Resolve and how to set it up correctly. If you face any problem during installation, join our Discord channel and report your issue in the plugin support channel. We'll help you there. I'll also cover everything you need to get started. Make sure to watch the entire video and don't skip any steps as each part is important for a proper installation.
Copypasta V2 plugin link is in our description. You can download it from website. After you download, you can see Copypasta V2 in zip file. Right click, then after extract all, extract, then open this file. You can see two files, one for Mac user and one for Windows user. If you are using a Mac, then open Mac file and just you should to copy this and open DaVinci Resolve. Then after Fusion setting, path map, and then after you can see here scripts. Right click and utility, and you should to paste here. But I have Windows, then I just copy from Windows. I just copy this file, open that folder, then after paste it here. After that you can see in a workspace and the script you can see here Copypasta V2. You can see here copy paste UI. I will create one timeline. I will copy image from browser. I will paste to here. See here, you can see. If I again paste it to here, then automatically create new track. See here. You can see browse means I want to save in a client project file, then you can also choose from here, but I cancel it, and you can also open that folder. Default is this path. Okay, default is this path, DaVinci Resolve Copypasta V2, and here you can see Copypasta V2 because this is a project name. This is also a project name. If you create new project, then you can see new project name. In here you can see again timeline because I have here timeline 1. If I have timeline name called all footage, then I run it here. You can see here also created two folder, one from this and one from all footage. You can see also in here this is the main folder and all footage and timeline. You can see here clip that you paste it into a timeline. And if you want to copy from here, I will rotate it a little bit for this. Now you can see here copy frame to clipboard. You can just paste here, and you can also see in here I clear it and re-copy this. Again you can see here you can see auto save copied frame to export folder. Then you can click this, then if you copy this frame, then automatically save to your folder. If I copy this, then and I will open this button to open file. Here you can see you copied. Here you can see image. If I rotate more and again I copy, here you can see again. See here. But I want to turn off this. I just want to copy, that's why. I want to change my image color, then I can choose from here. Example, I want to paste image to here, but clip will be yellow, then paste like this. You can see here yellow. Here you can also save as a preset. Okay, if you want to choose, like I want to choose in E folder, I will create one folder called FF, and I just want to paste here. And I want to create one preset, then save preset FF and save it. You can see here. And again browse, and I also want to create one more file called dd and select and save, right, dd. Now you can see here. Okay, if I change to FF, then you can see FF. If I change to dd, then you can see dd. You can also change this color. If you want to delete preset, then you can press here, then you can see FF and dd. I want to delete dd, then delete. You can see FF also, then I will delete. This plugin works also in a Fusion page. If I create like this, and copy, then you can see here copy. I want to paste here. You can see paste it. Same like a transparency. Here you can see transparent. Here also you can see transparent. Thanks for watching. If you love this plugin, then comment it. Please subscribe for this type of video.